Downtown Kingston will come alive on December 31 with a spectacular staging of fireworks on the waterfront. The Urban Development Corporation (UDC) will once again stage the highly anticipated event along Ocean Boulevard.
Keep the party going. How no feeling? So make we do no linger and swim. Everybody in here do this way. So make we do no linger and swim. Jordan River, sweet don't you ever. My blessing is flowing like a river. For the Lord is all Jesus.
Not even stove, you're not fire. Better you go sing on a little church choir. Little bit of dread can't test a bad wire. Don't say you're bad, better say you're small choir.
Me love it. It sell off, it gone. Good to go.
Fireworks on the waterfront is part of the UDC's vision for the redevelopment of downtown Kingston to establish the area as a commercial, entertainment and cultural district, creating a one-stop shop for fine food and good times. And the coming on stream of the festival marketplace will further facilitate this. For the past 17 years, thousands of Jamaicans and visitors to the island converge on the waterfront to ring in the new year. This year's event has a full slate of activities beginning as early as 3 p.m. and as customary, it offers something for the entire family. There'll be a play area for the children with a variety of rides. So take the little ones out for the time of their lives. Over at the vending zone will be a wide range of food for the taking. Something hot, cold, a little sweet or savory.
We sell off every year, everything nice.
Business is awesome from morning. Awesome, awesome. This is the best year at fireworks for me, honestly.
And if an art and craft item is what you desire, it's also there. One of the high points of the day's activity is the stage show featuring upcoming and popular artists. Here's a reminder of past performances.
Dance, we are dance 4 weeks at the month.
We need a miracle to stay alive.
Thank you, Lord, for what you've done for a woman like me.
When the rain is falling, my baby is Arnold. If you don't take all knowledge away, so when they fall in love, it will be forever. Hear my enemies, I want you to put something up in the air. Downtown, save me,
That's enough.
keep me.
That's enough.
Yo, man, nah lie, the swag, turn up the swag, but me and my friend them I endorse it from the seafront, turn up, yeah.
And the energy will be just as high on December 31 when the fireworks hit the skies.
It's nice, it's fun, and fantastic. What I liked about the fireworks was the nice and pretty colors.
I think the event is great because it helps the kids to enjoy themselves and to ring in the new year in fun and style.
So don't be left out of the fun and excitement this New Year's Eve, December 31. Come for an amazing fireworks on the waterfront. The Urban Development Corporation, making development happen for you. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.